This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, onwards enter the About Device category, then over here you gotta go for the Status, or not Instructions, Status, and at the Status page just proceed for SIM card status. And in here at its phone number field, you'll be able to look up the phone number that is saved into currently inserted SIM card's memory. That is also another way to check the phone number, which you can do by entering the mobile network category of settings this time. And as you can see, the phone number is being displayed over here as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.